Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 15th, 2019. Here are some upcoming events. Get your calendar out. The elementary fundraiser merchandise will be delivered next week. November 18th and 19th, we will have our first trimester awards ceremonies. Parents of students who will be receiving an award will be contacted to attend the ceremony. A pediatric dentist will present to the elementary students on Wednesday, November 20th. Thanksgiving break will be November 23rd until December 1st. The chocolate fountain party for students who sold 7 or more items will be on December 4th in the afternoon. In the evening of December 4th at 5:30 p.m., we will have a 3rd grade through 5th grade FSA Parent Night. Please attend and learn how to help your child succeed on these very important exams. December 9th through December 13th will be the elementary holiday shop. Thursday, December 12th, we will have a pajama movie night at 5:30 p.m. We will be showing Toy Story 4, and information will be sent home shortly. In addition, it will be a late shopping night at our gift shop. Here's Mr. Bofice.
Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bofice. I'd like to talk about some things happening here at the secondary campus. Starting next week, November 18th, we will begin our tutoring program for our test prep FSA and EOCs. We will be doing something different this year. Instead of offering the tutoring after school, all our tutoring for our middle school will be during class hours. So no need to come pick your kids up at 5 o'clock. They'll be taking their tutoring courses right here on campus during their elective classes. At this time, we're starting with selective students, and then we'll add students as needed. Our high school students, most of their tutoring classes will be available during class time. However, there are a select few classes that will occur after school. Those schedules will be available on Jupiter Ed. You can sign in, look at your students' individual classes, and on their class schedule, you will also see the tutoring classes. We're very excited about this program, as we feel we'll now be able to have most of the students that will benefit from the tutoring in class. Other things going on, we had Palm Beach State College here at our school this week, and they were here to help our graduates apply for next year. As you know, we have a good relationship with Palm Beach State College, and last year over 50% of our graduated students attended the college. So that's it for now. Want to wish everybody a very healthy and happy Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you soon.
Here's Miss Mustafa with Science Fair News.
Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Mustafa in the Science Department, and I'm celebrating the winners to our first annual Science Fair, and I'm pleased to introduce you to some of the middle school winners who will be going on to the county fair in December. We will keep you posted, but we're super excited, and we had some awesome turnout for our first science fair, so next year will be even better. This is Jacob, first place winner for middle school.
I studied what wave barriers are and what impact they have on our coastal waters and surrounding shorelines. And what I was trying to do was see which barrier helps prevent best against coastal flooding during hurricanes and against storm surge.
What did you make to prove that?
I made a curved barrier, I made a vertical barrier, and I made riprap, which is like a jetty.
So rocks. You had a miniature wave tank
Yes.
going. Yes, excellent job. Congratulations. In second place, over here we have another prodigy. Introduce yourself and tell us what you did.
Hi, my name is Christopher Zarn, and I studied wind turbines. Wind turbines are massive machines that can produce wind energy and transfer it right into electric energy. Now, what I did was I created a wind turbine with 3 different wind blades to measure which wind blade size produce the most energy. I create a wind turbine using magnetic electrons to get enough electricity to light a light bulb.
Excellent. And he'll be attending the fair in December, and he has a model of his work. Over here we have Alex, who is an 8th grader, and he tried to make a battery out of air and salt water. Were you successful, Alex?
Yeah, it worked. It powered the light bulb. What I did is I used like 2 electrodes, like 2 strips, magnesium, and like I put them into salt water with like hydrogen peroxide. And what it did, it oxidized the 2 strips, and using alligator clips, I connected it to a miniature light bulb, and it powered by 1.5 voltage. And then I tested like the more and more hydrogen peroxide I put, because it's like an oxygen base, the higher and higher like the brightness level basically would be.
Excellent. Good job. Over here we have Deide, who did a gardening project, and she will be attending science fair. She's also an 8th grader. Can you tell them briefly what you tested and what you found?
I was studying plant growth and how the pH level of water given to them can affect their growth. So I planted 6 different variable groups and then changed the pH level of the water by adding baking soda and lemon juice to change it to see which one would grow the fastest.
Great.
Awesome. And finally, let me introduce you to Jason. Jason looked at how he could charge his iPod using lemons. Did that work, Jason? Stand by.
We had using only one fruit wouldn't really be a good experiment, so we tested to see if we could use 3 different fruit, kiwis, oranges, and lemons, to test if the amount of zinc in the fruit could power enough volts to power up the iPod. We had 10 of each fruit connected, and we stopped when we had 5 volts, which was supposed to be enough to power the iPod, but it didn't exactly keep it powered long enough to play music. It turned on and then turned off immediately.
Mayor Stewart and Councilman Edward Schroep came to our elementary school last week for the Read for the Record event. The Town of Lantana representatives read to all of our kindergarten and 1st grade students. Every year they visit PBMA and try to read to as many students as Lantana as they can. Last week, 11th and 12th graders saw presentations from the Army, Palm Beach State, and a medical institute. Here are last week's elementary stars of the week. Kravis on the Road actors visited the elementary school to perform a show called Tell Me a Story. Students enjoyed the animated retellings of Mexican folk tales. Here are the pictures.
Papá dice. Quiero, I don't want to. With schizophrenic attitude. No, no, quiero, I don't want to. What do you mean you don't?
Fifth grade visited Loggerhead Marine Life Center, where students learned all about sea turtles that are being rehabilitated there. Let's hear all about it. I'm here with Miss Lubin's 5th grade class, and they went on a very special trip. Where did they go?
The Loggerhead Marine Life Center.
That's right, and it's in Jupiter. And who wants to tell me some of the stuff that they saw? Go ahead, what'd you see there?
We saw sea turtles.
Yeah? And what was special about these sea turtles? Who can tell me what was special? What?
Some of them were hurt.
Oh, so it's kind of like the doctor or a hospital, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else can we tell me?
Some of them had different shell shapes.
Okay, so different turtles have different shell shapes?
Yes.
All right. How were the turtles hurt?
From boats and predators.
Oh, that's right. So boats shouldn't go so fast in areas where there are turtles because then the boat's propellers hurt the turtles, right? Okay. Did you see anything else special there? Anybody else think of something?
The loggerhead's heads are bigger than its shells.
Okay, thank you guys. I'm glad you had a good time. Our middle school soccer team played their second game against Franklin Academy at the Lantana Sports Complex. Unfortunately, we lost the game 6-4. Our record is now 1-1. Here are some pictures of our soccer sharks in action. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.